Ever wonder how your wireless headphones play music from your phone, seemingly without any physical connection? It's a marvel of modern technology, a seamless experience we often take for granted. But have you ever stopped to consider the intricate dance of radio waves that makes it all possible? Or how your mouse moves the cursor on your computer screen with such precision, even when there's no wire tethering it to the device? It's as if an invisible hand is guiding the cursor, responding to your every command. That's Bluetooth, a sophisticated application of science, not some kind of digital magic trick. It's a testament to human ingenuity, transforming the way we interact with our devices. It's like invisible strings, woven from radio waves, connecting your gadgets in a silent, efficient network. These strings allow for a constant flow of information, creating a connected ecosystem around you, letting them talk to each other, share data, and respond to your commands without the tangled mess of cables that used to plague our desks and homes. Remember the days of cable clutter? Bluetooth has banished those days to the history books. We use Bluetooth every day, often without even noticing its presence. It's become so integrated into our daily routines that it's almost invisible, a silent partner in our digital lives. From the seamless connection in our cars to the immersive soundscapes in our living rooms, from the smartwatches on our wrists to the wireless speakers filling our homes with music, Bluetooth quietly makes life simpler, more convenient, and a little more magical. It's a technology that anticipates our needs and seamlessly integrates into our lives. Remember when headphones had long, tangly cords that seemed to have a life of their own, always getting knotted and snagged? Or when printers needed a specific, often hard-to-find cable to connect to your computer, creating a frustrating obstacle to productivity? Bluetooth changed all that, ushering in an era of wireless connectivity and simplified setups. It's a universal language for devices regardless of brand or operating system, letting them communicate seamlessly and share information with ease. It's a digital translator, breaking down barriers and fostering collaboration between different devices. This wireless freedom has sparked innovation across countless industries, giving us the ability to move around freely while staying connected to the digital world. It's about untethering ourselves from physical constraints and embracing a more mobile lifestyle. When you get in your car, your phone automatically connects to the stereo, ready to play your favorite tunes or navigate you to your destination. At home, your speaker fills the room with music, streaming wirelessly from your phone or tablet, even if it's sitting across the room. Gamers immersed in virtual worlds, fitness fans pushing their limits, and music lovers seeking sonic bliss all rely on Bluetooth for that untethered, immersive, and truly liberating experience. It's a silent hero of our digital age, a technology that quietly powers so much of our modern lives. So simple and seamless, we almost take it for granted, rarely pausing to appreciate the ingenuity behind it. But behind that simplicity lies a fascinating world of science, engineering, and innovation. Let's pull back the curtain, peel back the layers, and see how these invisible strings actually work their magic. Ready to explore the inner workings? Let's dive into the world of Bluetooth and uncover the secrets behind this ubiquitous technology. So, what exactly Bluetooth? It's a term we hear all the time, often without fully grasping its significance. At its core, it's a wireless technology. But it's more than just that. It's a standardized way for devices to communicate without the need for physical connections. Specifically, it's a technology that connects devices over short distances, creating personal area networks. Think of it as a digital handshake between your gadgets. To put it simply, think of it as a mini radio station, but instead of broadcasting to the masses, it's whispering secrets between your gadgets. It's a private conversation between devices. Bluetooth achieves this by using low-power radio waves, a specific frequency band that allows for efficient communication without excessive energy consumption. This low-power design is crucial because it means your headphones or mouse can run for weeks, even months, on a tiny battery. It's all about maximizing efficiency. Its main job? What problem does it solve? Replacing those pesky cables and cutting down on clutter. It's about creating a cleaner, more streamlined digital experience. Before Bluetooth came along, connecting devices from different brands was often a frustrating hassle, filled with proprietary cables and compatibility issues. Now, your headphones, regardless of brand, your phone, no matter the operating system, and your laptop, whatever the manufacturer, can all speak the same wireless language thanks to Bluetooth's universal standard. At a technical level, Bluetooth breaks your data, whether it's music, precise mouse movements, or important calls, into tiny packets like sending a message in small, manageable chunks. Then, it sends them quickly over the air, using those low-power radio waves we talked about. The receiving device then reassembles these packets, putting the pieces back together in the correct order. This happens so quickly that you get seamless sound or an instant response, making the whole process feel effortless. Bluetooth's low energy use is what truly sets it apart from other wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, which typically consume significantly more power. This makes it absolutely perfect for small, portable gadgets that rely on battery power for extended periods. That's precisely why you'll find it in smartwatches, fitness trackers that monitor your activity levels, and those incredibly convenient wireless earbuds that have become so popular. It keeps your devices connected and functioning reliably all day long without excessively draining their batteries. It's a clever and carefully engineered balance of performance and energy efficiency, a testament to its design. Ultimately, Bluetooth is what makes our portable gadgets truly portable, freeing us from the constraints of wires and cables. It's become a universal connector, a common language that allows devices from all corners of the globe to communicate seamlessly in our modern world. So that's the magic behind your wireless life, the invisible technology that powers so much of our connected world. Bluetooth operates in the 2.4 GHz ISM band, a public unlicensed slice of the radio spectrum. This band is crowded. Wi-Fi, microwaves, cordless phones, and baby monitors all use it. So how does Bluetooth avoid interference? It's all about smart design. The 2.4 GHz band is split into 79 channels like a motorway with 79 lanes. Bluetooth constantly switches lanes, hopping between channels to dodge traffic and keep your connection clear. This flexibility ensures stable, reliable connections even in busy environments. Using an open band made Bluetooth affordable and accessible for everyone. It democratized wireless tech, letting thousands of companies build Bluetooth into their products. The trade-off is a noisy band, but Bluetooth's clever tricks keep it working smoothly. The 2.4 GHz band is Bluetooth's playground, and it plays well with others. Before Bluetooth devices can connect and start sharing data, they need to go through a process called pairing. Think of it like a secret handshake, a special ritual that establishes trust between them. It's the digital equivalent of introducing two people and ensuring they know who each other is. Pairing is a one-time setup, an initial introduction that creates a trusted link. It's like giving your devices a digital key to each other's worlds, allowing them to communicate securely and efficiently. This initial handshake is crucial for establishing a reliable connection. Once paired, your devices connect automatically in the future, without any further intervention. It's a seamless experience, like old friends recognizing each other instantly. This automatic connection is what makes Bluetooth so convenient and user-friendly. When you put a device in pairing mode, it broadcasts a signal, essentially shouting, "I'm here! I'm ready to connect!" It's like a digital beacon, announcing its presence to other nearby devices. This signal is what allows your phone or computer to discover the device and initiate the pairing process. Your phone scans for these signals, searching for available devices. It then presents you with a list of potential connections, and you simply select the device you want to pair with. This is the moment you choose your new digital friend. Once you've selected the device, the real magic begins. The devices exchange info, verifying each other's identities and capabilities. They then agree on a secret key, a unique identifier that only they know, much like a password. This key ensures that their communication remains private and secure. From then on, they're officially paired and can connect securely whenever they're within range. No more fumbling with settings or entering codes. They simply recognize each other and establish a connection automatically. This network of connected devices, all working together harmoniously, is called a Piconet, a small personal network designed for your convenience. It's your own private ecosystem of gadgets. Within this Piconet, one device acts as the master, taking on the role of coordinator and managing communication with up to 7 other devices. It's the conductor of your digital orchestra. Take, for example, pairing a new keyboard. First, turn it on and press the connect button, initiating the pairing process. Then, find it in your computer's Bluetooth settings and click pair. And just like that, it's done. The process is quick, simple, and straightforward. The handshake is complete, the connection is established, and your devices now remember each other, ready to work together whenever you need them. Now, every time you use your keyboard, it connects instantly, without any delay or hassle. It's a truly seamless and convenient experience. This simple, secure, and reliable process is what makes Bluetooth so effortless and enjoyable to use. It's technology that fades into the background, allowing you to focus on what matters most. your gadgets become friends, a team of digital companions ready to work together seamlessly and enhance your daily life. That's the magic of Bluetooth pairing, creating connections, fostering collaboration, and simplifying your digital world. The 2.4 GHz band is crowded, so Bluetooth uses frequency hopping spread spectrum, or FHSS. Instead of sticking to one channel, Bluetooth hops between 79 channels up to 1,600 times per second. This rapid hopping avoids interference. If one channel is noisy, Bluetooth quickly moves to another. Devices in a Piconet share the same hopping pattern, staying in sync. This makes Bluetooth robust and reliable, even with Wi-Fi and microwaves nearby. Frequency hopping also adds security. An eavesdropper would need to know the exact hopping sequence to intercept your data. It's a clever dance that keeps your connection clear and your information private. Bluetooth's hopping is the secret to its smooth, secure performance. Bluetooth has evolved rapidly since the late 1990s. Early versions connected headsets and keyboards at modest speeds. Bluetooth 2.0 with enhanced data rate tripled speeds, making wireless music possible and pairing easier. The real breakthrough was Bluetooth Low Energy in version 4.0, perfect for fitness trackers and smartwatches that need to run for months on tiny batteries. Today's Bluetooth 5 series offers double the speed, 4 times the range, and new features like precise location tracking and audio broadcasting to many devices at once. Each upgrade has made Bluetooth faster, more efficient, and more versatile. Now, it powers everything from smart homes to health monitors. Bluetooth's journey is one of constant innovation. Bluetooth isn't just for music, it's everywhere. Wireless mice, keyboards, and game controllers use Bluetooth to clear your desk and give you freedom to move. Fitness trackers and smartwatches sync health data to your phone using Bluetooth Low Energy. Medical devices send readings directly to your phone, making health management easier. In smart homes, Bluetooth controls lights, plugs, and locks, often handling setup or direct control. It's a low-power way to manage a growing number of connected devices. From entertainment to productivity to health, Bluetooth is a silent partner in our lives. It's the invisible thread tying our digital world together. Is Bluetooth safe? For the most part, yes, thanks to built-in security. Pairing creates a secret key, encrypting all data sent between devices. Frequency hopping makes it hard for attackers to intercept your connection. Still, no tech is perfect. Risks often come from how we use it. Only pair devices in trusted places, and turn off discoverability in public. Keep your device's software updated for the latest security patches. With these habits, you can enjoy Bluetooth's convenience with peace of mind. Security and simplicity go hand in hand with Bluetooth. Why is it called Bluetooth? The name comes from Harald Bluetooth Gurmson, a Viking king who united Denmark's tribes. In 1997, engineers needed a code name for their new wireless standard. Inspired by King Harald's unifying legacy, they chose Bluetooth. The name stuck, even after plans for a more technical name fell through. The Bluetooth logo combines two ancient runes, King Harald's initials. Every time you connect your headphones, you're using tech named after a Viking king. It's a quirky link between our digital world and ancient history. Bluetooth's name is a tribute to the power of connection and unification. That's the story behind the name, and the technology that connects us all.